What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today I want to let you guys know that the Kroger 4 times fuel points rewards is back, baby. Now if you're not sure what this is, I made a video previously that you can go check out right here, but we'll go over it real quick on this video as well. Kroger 4 times the fuel points rewards is basically where you can go to Kroger and purchase gift cards of places that you already go, such as Chick-fil-A, JCPenney, Amazon gift cards, and you will receive 4 times the amount that you spend on gift cards. Now, this is important because Kroger allows you to receive money off of your fill up on gasoline. Yes, you can receive up to $35 off on your fill up of gasoline depending on how many points that you receive for your purchases at Kroger. Now, what I like to do personally is I like to go to Kroger when they have this, and I like to purchase gift cards to specific restaurants that I normally go eat at because I can really receive a lot of money off of my gas. My vehicle that I drive is a 31-gallon tank. So potentially, I can save $1 off per gallon on my fill up. Yes, that's $30 per fill up. Now, if you want to be strategic, let's say you have 2 cars that have, let's say, 15-gallon tank as well as a 20-gallon tank. I've seen where some people take both vehicles up there and you fill up both vehicles and you can save your $1 off per gallon on filling up both vehicles. That's a total of $35 savings on your gasoline. In addition, on top of that, depending on what credit card you use to purchase these gift cards at Kroger, you can receive additional rewards points, such as, let's say you have the Chase Inc. business credit card. I believe they're offering about 5 times the points used at grocery stores. In addition, if you have the American Express or Amex Gold card, I believe you can receive 4 times the points on your purchases at grocery stores, as well as the Chase Freedom card, which you can receive 5 times the points. So you can receive, in addition to the amount of money off of your gasoline, the actual gift cards that are worth the actual value that you spent on them, as well as the additional points that you receive on whatever credit card you use. So if you're not already saving money on your gasoline purchases, you need to take action. If you live in an area where Kroger is, then you can download the app on your phone, create an account, and get you an account number for Kroger, and then go into the coupon section and just click on activate on the 4 times the points on gift cards. That's all you have to do. Then when you go to the grocery store and you make your purchase of your gift cards, then you make sure that you put your account number in there, and Kroger will keep track of how much money you spend and how many points that you're able to accrue. I was just able the other day, I think this weekend, I filled up my truck and I still had some points left over from the last time that I used this. I received another $18 off of my gas fill up. Yes, it's definitely worth it, guys. You definitely need to take action. Let's say you don't live in an area where a Kroger is available. Be sure to go on their website and you can check their other chain grocery stores such as Fred Meyer's, Ralph's, and a place called King Soopers. Yeah, those are also Kroger store chain locations as well. So they'll probably have the same deal available in your area. Go to Kroger.com and then type in your location and see what grocery store is near you so you guys can take action. All right. That's all I have for today. I definitely wanted to let you know that this deal is back from right now as you're watching this video on May the 6th, and it expires on May the 12th. Don't forget, the later you wait on purchasing your gift cards, the specific good gift cards such as Chick-fil-A, those are probably already sold out. When I went yesterday to Kroger and I went to go buy all of these gift cards, Chick-fil-A gift cards were already sold out. And you guys know that everyone eats at Chick-fil-A. But you still have Amazon and everyone shops at Amazon. So definitely take advantage of it. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell next to it so you can be notified when videos are uploaded. In addition, if you like the content in this video, please hit that like button and comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.